welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori, and today I've got a Dollar Tree haul for you. Nothing too major, and I got a Wellington today. Nothing really big. My Dollar Tree's been kind of nothing really new. What you want, buddy? Oh, you want me to hold you? Nothing really new at the Dollar Tree. So I picked up a few householdy items and a black cat. Apparently, he's done now. Oh, and now Alex is coming because he hears me talking to myself. Hi, buddy. All right, you guys, let me do my haul. All right, so I went and picked up a couple things. I can't see, buddy. A couple things this morning. I grabbed one of these, excuse me, sir, water bottles, BPA free. I don't know how many ounces they are. 25 ounces. I think I've mentioned surgery soon, but I'm going to be at my cousin's house for a couple days. She's going to take care of me and let me hang out with her and her husband and kids. And I'm going to need water. And this is something I feel like I can, you know, open and close one-handed. It won't spill. And I have to drink a lot of fluid and some medicine because I'm going to be on pain medicine. So I grabbed one of these to take with me. I finally found these at my store, these candles. First of all, look at this packaging. It says tea on the front. It has this little metal lid. This is orange spice. It's Old Williamsburg. Oh my gosh. I'm saving these for Christmas. This just screams fall to me. But is that not adorable? I'm going to put this up. I got two of this in this scent because I love it. And how cute is that? And I don't normally buy these candles, but this is honestly for looks. And if it smells, bonus. So I got that. I grabbed a pack of these. These are microfiber face cleansers, like scrubbies. And I think I've shown them before, but there's like a little scrubby on one side and like a washcloth on the other. I generally use the washcloth side, but like this week I'm peeling. So I use the scrubby side in the shower to try to get, there's Alex, try to get the dead skin off my face. But I love these. I use them for about a week and throw them away. They're $3 for $1. And I bet you, I should try this, putting it in the washing machine. Why not? I mean, it's fabric. So I grabbed a pack of those. I think that's it in here. It is. I grabbed two of these containers. Now these are the ones that have the purple locking lids. And they work pretty well. What I store in these in my refrigerator is my specialty keto like flours and stuff. So I have one for almond flour and coconut flour in the fridge. This one I will put my Isopure whey protein, and the other one will be my oat fiber. And I just write on them with a Sharpie. And I need to really write on the lid because they sit in my veg drawer. Just because they're nut, most of them are like nut flours. You really want to keep them in the refrigerator. So I grabbed two more of these. I like them, and they're the perfect size. 6.75 cups is what it says it will hold. I don't know about all that, but what do I know? But it holds, I know it holds a pound package of oat fiber, a pound package of coconut, and so, yes, so I grabbed two of those to put in my fridge, because I'm sorry, buddy, you gotta get down. Thank you. If you saw my nutrition haul, I grabbed some more fiber, and those, the fiber and the Isopure whey protein that I get have like a resealable top, but they're kind of fussy, and the new oat fiber I just bought does not, so I needed a container. Anywho, so I grabbed that. I grabbed some more of these microfiber washcloths, which I don't use as a washcloth. I use them in my craft room. They're great for cleaning up paint, stain, messes. They're $1 a piece, and if they don't wash up good, I throw them away. So I grabbed an extra pack of those. I've been painting a lot. On that same vein, I got another package of rubber gloves. Now, they sell these in the painting. Hi, buddy. They sell these in the painting section as well as the like hair care section, but I like these. They're tighter and they fit better. So I get them, and they're blue. So that's for crafting. Nail polish remover, because, well, duh, you need a nail polish remover. And I like the pure acetone, and that's what that is. So I grabbed that. My other candle. Oh my gosh. It just smells like fall. I love it. I will keep these until fall. I picked up a new, what do they call them? Mesh strainer. So baking, when something says to sieve it or sift it, I don't have a sifter, but I put it in here and sift it through. Some of the nut flours and things get lumpy, and this just helps separate it. On God. Or I'm gonna start fencing, I don't know. My other one broke. And this is also great for straining broths and soups and bone broth and all the things. So I needed a new one for $1 if they break. I don't really care. I just need to sift my flours. So it's a kitchen gadget. I don't really have a whole lot left, guys. It was a very small haul this week. I grabbed some Huggy wipes. These are fragrance-free, sensitive. Gonna be a couple days where I can't take a shower, and that's just gross. I will sponge bath, but just in case, I was like, I better have some of these on hand for me. So I'll just throw these in my little to-go bag for my cousin's house, and for here when I come home, I'll have them. And this is just a pack of 24 wipes, just in case. I don't know what can happen. I know what's due, so we'll see. Grab this. And then the last couple of things, food-wise, I picked up 2 bottles of Kalamata olives. This is medley. I'm sorry, it's a Mediterranean medley, so it's looks like Spanish and Kalamata, and then there's also some bell pepper pickled. So I grabbed 2 of these. I'm gonna open them and put them in some type of a container that I can get into when armed. But I love olives, and I have salami and cheese that I gotta cube up. So I'm like, salami, cheese, and olives, that's dinner. Breakfast, lunch, whatever. So I grabbed 2 jars, and I'll get these into a container, like I said, that I can open. And then the last things I got are adorable, and I'm sure you've all seen them. Hello, what the heck, Dollar Tree? Is this not adorable? These are solar lights. Solar lights for your front yard, backyard. Put them in the plant. They spike. I'm probably going to stick them in plants in my front yard. How adorable are these? And you just let them do their thing, and they light up. I don't, oh, the one, this one's missing, so I'm kind of hoping it works. It's missing the, I think it's broken up in there maybe. Oh yeah, I may have to take it back. We'll see, because this one's already lighting up and this is not, so I may have to exchange, but that's fine. But I think these are adorable, and I think they'll be super cute in my front yard. And that was everything that I purchased today, or purchased at the Dollar Tree. Yeah, that's everything. So I hope you have a good day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.